everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. It was funny. I always scan the stuff at the store to make sure the digitals come off. I might start doing the digital videos in this video too, because I feel like me doing the digital only videos and then separate video, I'm not getting the views. I don't know. Last week was just a bad week. So we will see. I don't know. I might combine those two videos into one. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. It would have been a moneymaker. For me, it would have been a moneymaker because the digitals did not come off. So I will be calling them later today. I ended up chatting with somebody a couple weeks ago, and the person was really snooty. Just in the chat, you could tell. She's like, "You're supposed to call." And I'm like, "No, I was told I can either chat with somebody online or I can call. It's either one." But I will be calling them because they gotta give me some points or something. So the Post cereal is on sale for $1.99 if you guys need some cereal. I always get one. I really have been craving Fruity or Cocoa Pebbles. This is only like maybe 2 or 3 breakfasts for me. So you can get that. The Cheez-Its are currently on sale for $1.99. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. You guys would just get this for $1.49. So that is a great deal if you need some snacks. Now, I did the Oral-B, okay? I ended up getting these toothbrushes. When I scanned them, there was a $7 off a 3 digital coupon that popped up, okay? My $7 digital did not come off. Don't know why, but it did not come off. So I will be contacting Walgreens for this. But these were $3 on sale. You want to use that 7 off a 3 digital coupon if you guys do have that. You would end up paying $2 for everything, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward, making them a $2 moneymaker. Now make sure you scan stuff. I don't clip any of my Crest coupons until I'm at the store to figure out what digitals I can do, because sometimes if you unclip them, you'll lose them. So just sharing with you guys on that. I do have a third one, so got those in case you need to do that. The next deal we got is the Bic pens. Now these ones were $3.49. You guys want to use, these are currently buy one get one 50% off. There is currently a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $2.23 or just $1.12. I really like the clickable colored pens. I use these all the time. It's like my favorite because I'm always writing stuff down for my breakdowns. Or you guys can do this. I actually had 2 digital digital coupons. So these again were $2.99. Buy one get one 50% off. You use a 3 off a 2 coupon. You get these for $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece if you guys need to do that. I love the clickable pens, so I ended up doing that. I ended up getting the Hershey's chocolate. Now some of you guys mentioned that your store was out of these. There's 3 different spots these are usually at. Right when you walk in the door, when it says deals of the week, and then there's some in the candy aisle, and then there's also some in the Halloween aisle. So make sure you dig around. But these were $1.99. There's currently a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or you guys can have it attached to your app. But you guys would end up getting these for $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. I like getting these. I don't know if these contain peanuts at all. I don't know, because for Halloween I'm trying to get some like peanut free stuff for the kids. So I did that. I did the Renews-Its. I knew for a fact I was going to have a problem with the Renews-Its. They're 89 cents. There's currently a buy 4, you get 2 free digital coupon, okay? My digital didn't even come off. So technically I was supposed to get $1.78 on this product, but I didn't, so that's why I will be contacting them. But if your coupon does work, you guys would buy 6 of them at $3.56 is what you would pay. There's currently a $1 off of 3 Ibotta deal. Comes out to be just $2.56 or just 42 cents a piece for 6 of them. So make sure you guys keep a track of this. Every single time they have a digital coupon of this, there is always problems. So like I said, I will be contacting them for that deal. I did the Crest. Now for the Oral-B and the Crest deal, you guys need to do them in separate transactions. Just giving you guys a heads up with that. But these were $3 on sale. Did I not write this down? Really? I didn't write this down. Anyways, these are $3. I had a $1 off digital coupon and a $1 off digital coupon. So you guys would pay $4 for the both of these. But then you'll get that $4 register reward back, making them absolutely free. So you guys can mix and match however you want for any of those coupons, but great deal for that. And then I did do the Colgate toothpaste. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $2.99. I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that did come off. You guys would pay $4.98 or $1.98. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. You would pay $1.98, but then you guys will get a $2 register reward, making these absolutely free. So that is a great deal. Now I've been really trying to push Ibotta deals. There's a couple deals that I wanted to do, but I'm gonna do some of them at CVS, but there is deals that I wanted to do. So I ended up getting the Rohoto. This is the Digi-Eye. This is for like your redness for like digital eye strain or whatever. This, you can, if you guys have those printable coupons, we had printable coupons for this stuff way in the back at like the end of July, beginning of August. If you guys really need some stuff and you guys use this, use those coupons if you still have those from a while back ago. But anyways, these were $10.49. There is a $4 off digital coupon. You guys would just get this for $6.49, but then you guys can submit for a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.49. Now the purple one is 13 something dollars. There's a $5 off digital coupon and there's a $5 off rebate with Ibotta. So if you guys want to mix and match or do however you want to do it, just make sure you guys can do that. Now, the last 2 deals I did were the Tresemmé deals, okay? The Tresemmé deals. Now, I wasn't sure if this was going to work, so I did it in 2 separate transactions. Because in the ad, this one's advertised 2 for $10. The other one's buried. 2 for $10, okay? You want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. You guys would pay $7 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys will get a $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them. So they come out to be absolutely free. So you guys get that $3 register reward. So I'm like, sweet. There was no tag on the product that said you get the register reward. So I'm like, okay, the ad says it. So if the ad says it, I should get it for just the 3 for $10. But it didn't say anything about the ones that were 2 for $8, because in the ad, they're on a different page, okay? So I'm like, I'm still gonna try this deal because I want to do it with the Ibotta stuff anyways. So I got it because it ended up being a good deal. Even I think it came out to be like $1 without Ibotta, or yeah, So let me explain this. These were 2 for $8. You want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. You guys would pay $5 for this. You can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta and a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, and it was going to be $2, so $1 a piece. But a $3 register reward did pop out. That's why I did them in separate transactions, because usually these are kind of the same deal. So these come out to be a $1 moneymaker. You guys will get these absolutely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. I'm going to do possibly the same deal at CVS, which I cannot submit my receipt until this deal resets. So we will see how that goes. But I was pretty excited to get that deal. I was not expecting it, but I was excited. So I ended up doing 3 separate transactions just because I didn't want to pay so much out of pocket, but I did have some hiccups. My total came to $38.13. I ended up getting $16 worth of register rewards. I got 2 $4 Crest, 1 $2 Colgate, 2 Tresemmé's, and yeah. And then I got $2 in points because there was like this, just because there's like, I think the 10 times everyday points, whatever. And then I got $11 back with Ibotta. Did I get my money? One of them I got $1 back. Another one I got $3 back, and I haven't gotten approved for the $7 one yet. That was the one. So I got $11 back with Ibotta. So technically my total for all that stuff was $9.13. But since I will be contacting Walgreens because I didn't get the Renews It's digital come off, I didn't get the why do I have $1 on here? Oh, I didn't get one of my Oral-B, or one of the mouthwashes come off. And then I also did not get the 7 off of 3 Oral-B digital coupon. None of those came off. So they still owe me $9.78 worth of points. So I will be contacting them. If they do give me those points, I most likely, this will be a 65-cent moneymaker. I will get everything absolutely for free. So I was pretty excited. Definitely do the Tresemmé deal, you guys. And if you can do it again when it resets. This one does end in like 2 days, so make sure you guys do that, but this one doesn't end for a while. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. I'm pretty excited. I'm ready to go shop at CVS. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.